Hey, what's going on, guys? So it's about 6:19 right now. Got a few hours to go out and fish today. We got storms rolling in around 9 or 10 o'clock. Pressure's already started to fall, so we're gonna get out here just a little bit before the sun comes up. See if we can't get anything to happen. We got, like I said, probably 3 to 5 hours to fish. Going usual stomping grounds right now. See if we can't make something happen today. Plan's probably going to be slow rolling some bucktails to start off with, and then probably back to ripping deuces. So stay tuned, see what we can put together here.